Hey besties, welcome back to Drawing Dexterity. Today we are going to draw a super cute boba tea. So grab your markers and let's start. First we're going to start by making the container for our boba. So we're going to make a line coming down and we're going to come across to make the other line. Now we're going to connect these from the bottom. Now we're going to make the lid. So we're going to make a little curved line. Oh, okay. And we're going to add some details. Now we're going to make the plastic thingy that goes around. This is the straw. Just like that, and we're actually going to add some details in this so we can have random lines. Actually, random lines look good. Okay, now let's draw a boba in our straw so it looks kind of cute because we're trying to give this cute vibes. Okay. Now we're going to draw our boba inside the drink. So let's draw another base inside of our container. Make sure to leave the spot for the straw so we can continue. And now we can draw the boba inside of our drink. This one's trying to suck in the straw. Okay, cute. We can draw little faces on there. This one is oh my god. This one's eyes are different. And another smiley face. All of them are actually happy. This one's kind of sad because he's going to be inside of a stomach. Now we can draw a little bit dots. I don't know, they look kind of attractive. Cute. Our boba looks very fantastic. I have the worst French accent, honestly, but that's it. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more content. Thanks for watching!